Hi everyone, my name is Demi. So today I will talk about my research. The topic of my research is people's communication will influence the cats. I have 6 parts in my slide, including introduction, objective, lecture review, methodology, result, discussion, and conclusion. First of all, I will introduce my research. The purpose of this study is to investigate ability of cats to learning human languages and to prove that cats can have some ability to learning human languages. I use 3 ways to do my research. First of all is lecture review. Second one is sample observation. The third one is questionnaire. I use the lecture review because I want to analyze the animal, humans, and cats languages ability. I want to use the sample observation because I want to find the most repository samples. The third one, questionnaire, I want to better understand the data and people's ideas of this research. And in my research, keywords is humans, animals, and cats. The second part is about the objective, its purpose and benefit of the study. My purpose is to my purpose is to study of animals communication and behaviors because they are most obvious ways to expression of the physical and the criminal process within the animal. And our benefits is to help humans to improve their sense systems and to help disability people, and some mental health peoples, because we know the dogs can help the disability peoples. So we hope maybe like cats also can do it. So that's why we do this research. And the lecture review. About the lecture review, I find 3 lectures. First of all, is talk about the different communication between humans and animals. They said the brain is most different, is most obvious to different. The cats don't have better brain than humans, but the cats can use their brain effectively. The highly intelligent cat can never make some mistake again in their lifetime, and some cats also can like intimidate the humans' behaviors and learn how to open door, and the ability of learning is very important for the cat intelligence, and it's also proved that the cat have ability to learn the things through the humans training. And second one is the vision communication and actual communication. In cats communications, the visual communication and aural communication. The visual communication is including the posture, physical expression, eyes follows. One of a very obvious example is tail positions. They use visual communication to interpersonal communication, like to do the interpersonal communication with the owners, like handing, shouting the hands, and kiss on kiss with the cat owner. And aural communication is use the sound. Like cats can use the sound to show the location of foods and also dangerous. It's one of the human languages features is uh, discreteness and displacement. And the third one is different cat space also will affect the learning ability of cats, such as like uh, American short cats, not like to play with humans, but the percher cats like to play with humans, and their uh, they make sounds is different. So we find that different cat space also can affect the cats. And our methodology. We do the questionnaire and observation. The questionnaire is Chinese, and the start time is 14 October 2020, and our sample is adult 20 samples and student 20 samples. Our way is random, and the result, those are our cats, observation cats, is including the kitty and adult cats. And the next one is our questionnaire. I use the Google form to do my research. Do my questionnaire. The first 3 questions is talk about the basic information. Our gender is 50% is male and half is females. And our age is, most of people is 20 to 30. And our education background, most of people is bachelor degree, and but also including other education backgrounds. And most of people think they like the past, and most people don't have the past, which is also will influence our data. It's a disadvantage. And most of people think animals can communicate with them, and they also trying to communicate with their pets or other animals, most of people. And our questionnaire is talk about the research that study animal communication, trying to get the animal to learning the human languages. And 40% people did think it's impossible. 40% people think it's interesting, and 20% disagreed. And the next one is, how many pets do you have? Most of people don't have the pets. And what kind of pets do you have? Most of people don't have the pets. So which also influence my research. I think is a disadvantage things. Next time I will improve it. The 6th part is discussion and conclusion. Discussion, the participation was most young people with bachelor degree, and the ideas based on real life and scientific advanced. According to the investigation, it follows the case, and but the data is like I write before that I think most of people love animals because they loneliness, but actually, according to our research, it doesn't. So it's one mistake. And after interview some of my subjects, I find that no time to take care of the pets was the main reason that people don't have the pets. And also they cannot improve that the cats can communicate with people or not. And the conclusion in this study, lecture, research, questionnaire, and observation sample was adopted, each of which has its own deficit and shortcome, but it's without doubt that if continue to research can prove that cats have ability to learn the languages, because they also including the learning ability, and also they have some languages features. Thank you for your listening, and these my results. Thank you. To end it.